We'll guide you through how to fix an iPad stuck in recovery mode. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and be frustrating, as perhaps you went to put it in here to try and resolve something, and now it's stuck, or you accidentally ended up in here and you're stuck. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how you can try getting out of it, so make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So first of all, what you want to do is just go and unplug the iPad if you had it plugged into your computer. So we can actually try and getting out of here by using a button combination, and we should be able to go and boot back into the iPad and we'll have all our data there still. So what you want to do is you're going to go and have the iPad like this and have the button so they're in the top left. You want to go and press this left volume button, then the right one, and then we're going to go and tap and hold the side button, okay? That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively, and we're going to guide you through it live. So let's press the left, the right, and tap and hold the side button. Now keep that held down. You're going to think nothing's happening, but keep it held down. It should shortly go black. And keep it held down. You're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. As you can see, it's now starting. And it's going to be coming back on very shortly. And then we're going to be able to go and use it. As you can see, here it is. Then we can swipe up, I'll enter in the passcode, and we're able to go and use it. So hopefully with the help of this guide, you've managed to go and get it unstuck. If you found this useful and you were successful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.